Hello, this is Lisa Dubuc. I'm going to continue on making these videos for my Tech Tools video series. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create video lectures or instructions or any kind of screencasting. This is similar to using a tool like ScreenR or Screencast-O-Matic. But what I'm going to show you is how to use Anthem, and we have it built into Blackboard, and you can do a screen recording, and you can directly load it into Ensemble. So it works pretty simple. The initial setup might take a minute when you have to download something if you've not used it for the first time. But once you have it, it works pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to go over here to Blackboard. And you can just go to any course that you have. So I'm going to go to a training template here. And I'm going to open up my screen on the side, and I'm going to go to Learning Modules. That's where you build all the content in your course. So when you build content, you'll see this option here. And in the Build Content menu, you'll see a section called Mashups over here. So what you're going to do is choose Ensemble Video. And it needs to launch, and if you've not used it the first time, it will download something that I'm going to show you. It will download an icon to your desktop or laptop that will look like this, Ensemble Anthem. And I can just launch that once I'm logged into Blackboard. But we'll go back to Blackboard and I'll show you how we can do it inside here. So in here, you'll see that now that it's got that icon downloaded to my machine, I can just go ahead and select Record here. And click on Record, and it's going to ask to open Ensemble. And now you'll see on this side of your screen, you'll get these options to record with your screen and webcam, your voice, or just the webcam. So if I did the screen, it's going to ask me, I only have one screen on this laptop. Some people have two. You choose which one you want, or you could select an area. I'll just say full screen, and you would click Record. It'll count down the time to recording. And then you can go ahead and it's recording, and you could see the icon. There's an icon. I'm going to show it to you right here. It's down in the, it won't show, but in the very bottom, you'll see that Anthem icon at the very bottom, and you can go around and, make your screencast. You can have a PowerPoint up here to record. I'm just moving around my course here, build content, just to show you how easy it is to record. And maybe I'm going to upload a file. So whatever I want to show on my screen, and when I'm finished with my recording, I'm just going to click on that icon, the Ensemble icon. It's yellow with the little black around it at the bottom. And again, this screen will come up. I could pause it, or I could say I'm done. So in this case, I chose done. It'll take a second to generate that thumbnail. And there it is. And then you can go ahead, and it's recording, and you could see the icon. It's playing now. I'm going to show it to you right here. Okay, and so I'm done. Show it to you right. So once I'm finished, there is an option in the bottom right, far bottom right. Click Done, and now it will give me some uploading options. You want to probably give it a title that you want. So I'll just do Ensemble recording example. Maybe you'd want to give further details. You can give it a description, and then you would select upload. It's going to directly upload it into Ensemble, so you won't have to do much with that. It could take a minute. It depends. Right, this morning there's probably a lot of people using the network, so it seems to be taking a minute. And once you have it, it's going to auto launch. I'm just going to close that, your Ensemble library. So here it is. It's still uploading. You can see I did a few others the other day. So if I have this particular video, I'm just going to cancel that. So if I want to go back to Learning Modules, where would you find those? You'd go to Build Content. We would go back to Ensemble Video and the mashups. It's going to launch your video. So you can see I can make a playlist as well if I wanted to. And I have these here. So if I click on this particular item, or I could choose, just select choose. And that particular item now will be listed in my learning module section because I chose that particular item. So if I scroll down, it's probably at the very bottom here. Oh, and I guess I didn't add it. I apologize. We'll go back to Ensemble, and I will let it launch my video, my library of media, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. I can just watch it from here to make sure that's what I want, or I can choose that one, and then I'm going to select choose media, and now it will appear. It is right there. So it popped right into my learning materials for students, and then they would be able to watch it there. If you have further questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.